Alex here with an events video in regards to the judicial discipline of Rena Hughes, an appeal following the imposition of discipline for 5 violations of the judicial canons. What started out as a high-conflict child custody case spiraled out of control over the course of a year, with a mother claiming her child didn't want to see her father and a father alleging parental alienation. The case became so complex that Ms. Hughes sought guidance from District Judges Charles Hoskin and Cynthia Diane Steele before ultimately deciding that the mother would need to be ordered to produce the child before the court. Interest in this case stems from a flurry of media coverage following what happened later. Essentially, an exchange between Ms. Hughes, a district judge of the family division, and a minor child that appears to have refused any contact with her father, frustrating Ms. Hughes to the point of threatening to send the child to Child Haven, which she referred to as a jail for kids, in an effort to coerce compliance with her orders and facilitate visitation with the child's father. The commission focused prosecution on Ms. Hughes' summary contempt of mother, as well as off-the-record temporary transfers of physical and legal custody from the mother to the father, further underlining the lack of any hearing on the merits or entry of evidence. In conclusion, the commission found her guilty of a failure to comply with the law, failure to promote confidence in the judiciary, failure to apply the law, incompetence, and a failure to accord a party the right to be heard. Especially troubling to the commission were a number of excuses raised, including Ms. Hughes' unfamiliarity with the law and having signed an order without first having reviewed it carefully. Ms. Hughes confronts the commission's glossing over of the full year in which mother is alleged to have unlawfully withheld the minor child from the father, as well as efforts undertaken to enforce the father's visitation rights, which included the inclusion of experts Ms. Keisha Weiford, Claudia Schwartz, and Katie Steinkamp, and the assertion that her defense of the charges were frustrated by the commission's exclusion of Dr. Craig Childress as an expert witness on pathogenic parenting, along with proffered character letters from Mark DiCiero and attorneys Jennifer Abrams and Marshall Willick. We submitted a media request, and Chief Justice Mark Gibbons has granted that request, allowing us to broadcast live from the Supreme Court of Nevada on December 2nd, 2019 at 1:30 p.m., where a full bench, all 7 justices, are anticipated to preside over the appeal. The Commission on Judicial Discipline is represented by Thomas Bradley and Paul Dale. District Judge Rena Hughes is represented by Daniel Marks and William Terry. You can keep up to date on our coverage schedule at www.ournevadajudges.com, and as with our previous videos, if you have any questions, feel free to post them down in the comments below or send us an email at admin@ournevadajudges.com.
I make a finding that paternity has been established.
Elicit potential danger to his children.
We're here for the court's order to show cause. Okay, so that takes care of one motion.
We'll make sure that she's put on house arrest.
As you know, the Supreme Court has
Okay, why don't you give me the statute?
I'm not putting up with any of the crap here today.